Welcome back to Contextory English, where you learn real English through real conversations. How well do you know workplace English? Let's find out. Do you know what it's called when a company gives an employee money after they lose their job? Do you know the expression for completely improving a bad situation and making things go in your favor? What do Americans call the process of helping an employee leave a company after they've been fired or quit? And what's a common, polite way to say, fire someone? Listen to the dialogue and see if you can figure out all the answers before we explain them.
Hey Jordan, got a minute? Can you come into my office?
Yeah, sure. Is everything okay?
Have a seat. I'm just going to be straight with you.
Okay, that doesn't sound great.
So, after reviewing your performance over the past few months, we've decided to let you go.
Wait, what do you mean, let me go? I'm being fired?
Yes, we're terminating your employment today.
But I thought I was improving. Nobody really told me I was at risk like this.
We did raise some concerns in your last performance review. Unfortunately, we haven't seen enough improvement.
So there was no final warning, no real chance to turn things around?
The decision is final. HR will walk you through the offboarding process.
Right. I honestly don't even know what to say.
I understand. This is a lot to take in. You'll receive a severance package, and we can provide references where appropriate.
Yeah, okay. I'll just go clear out my desk.
Take your time. And Jordan, this wasn't easy. I genuinely wish it had gone differently.
Me too.
We asked you a few questions about workplace English before the dialogue. Now let's break it down and check the answers together. A payment and benefits a company gives you after your job ends, when you're fired or laid off. Severance package. Examples. The company offered him a generous severance package. I'm living off my severance package for now. To completely improve a bad situation and make it successful or positive. Turn things around. Examples. The team managed to turn things around after a bad start. We need to turn things around before the project fails. The structured process of helping an employee leave a company after termination or resignation. Offboarding. Examples. HR is handling her offboarding this week. The offboarding process includes returning company equipment. A polite, indirect way to say fire someone. Let someone go. Examples. He was a great worker, but they still let him go. The manager didn't want to let anyone go, but he had no choice. And the last thing for today is a quick test with some of the other vocabulary items you came across in the dialogue. Let's see how many of these you remember. Think for 3 seconds before the answer appears. 1. Which phrase means to understand and process information emotionally or mentally instead of understand? Take in. 2. Which word means very direct, honest, and not trying to hide anything? Straightforward. 3. Which phrase means to mention a problem or worry in a professional way? Raise concerns. 4. Which phrase means to explain something step by step and guide someone through it? Walk somebody through. If you got most of them right, great job. Hope this was useful for your workplace English. See you in the next one.